And so, Kumar, when you first came in here, what kind of a problem you had?
I would call it severe back pain.
And that had been going on for how long now?
For at least a year, and it really progressively got worse. I would say before coming to you, within the last perhaps 6 months.
So you really were severe for about 6 months.
Yeah, and it just kept getting worse.
But this goes back a long ways, doesn't it? Because you've had cortisone shots in your history here from 3 years ago.
Yeah, it got so bending would be lasting pain, and also sitting, walking, and what really got bad was sleeping on my left side.
Huh?
It was real painful. It was, I couldn't rest very well, and I couldn't get in a position where I felt comfortable ever.
And you tried physical therapy for this?
I did.
And how many treatments do you think you might have had?
Physical therapy was off and on. I would say at each segment, I would go for about 3 months.
Oh, wow. And you had
Like
3 months?
About twice a week. Or
Twice a week
like
for
that.
3 months?
Yeah, and then it got down to once a week.
Wow.
And I continued to do the exercise, but then it got to be so painful I could not do the exercise. Any type of treatment from the chiropractor or anything, it works for a while. I did swimming, massage, acupuncture.
And medication. And a TENS unit.
Oh yes, TENS unit. But I think I've just about been through some of everything.
Oh my God.
You know. And I really have to say I got pretty depressed because I wasn't able to do what I normally do. And I was kind of thinking to myself, what from here? And yesterday I went to Virginia. I drove the whole time back without pain, without discomfort, without the fatigue. It was awesome. So that first visit was my first night that I slept the whole night through in many months.
And that's the first night that Thomas slept through the whole night in many months too.
You know, I felt like I'm back. I really did. I felt